Here's just another keyboard I wanted to share with you guys because I think it's great. Very affordable, $66. It runs off wired, wireless, and Bluetooth as well. Beautiful color scheme as well. I mean, you could always change the keycaps to whatever you want, but I think that the standard keycaps look very nice. You hold function and any of these keys, and you can change the RGB to what you want. It even does recording, so you can record your own RGB pattern. You even got the secondary options on the keyboard. You've still got F1 to F12. You got your print screen, pause, delete, page up, page down, home, and your arrow keys here as well. So very compact, 84 keys, compact keyboard. I think it looks pretty dope. What do y'all reckon?